is the factorial symbol. If you're going to take statistics, you're going to run into factorial in the counting process. We're not going to do that part of it. But by definition, 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, n factorial, it's n times n minus 1 times ... and so on for n greater than or equal to 2. I almost think that we did this, didn't we? Did we do factorial? Yeah. And so therefore we do have, we know therefore we do have factorial on our calculator. To remind you, it's under math. And if you go down under math, you will see, probability. You will see factorial right there. Okay, so I won't go back through that. On the TP calculator, which is my favorite, if I just need to pick something up to do something, you have this thing that's called PROB, probability. So if I press probability, you're going to see NPR, CR, and then factorial in that list under probability. So it works the same way as what the grapher does in terms of finding factorials. Now we're going to get into the other thing that's in there, and this is this particular symbol. We define the symbol, it's going to be read n taken j at a time. Now, by the way, if I am doing probability or if I'm doing counting, it's as though what I have is I have a bag of pens, like I have here. I shake them up, and if I had, just guessing, 10 pens in here, so n would be 10, and I'm going to count how many ways I can take out 3 pens, right? So n choose 3, or n taken 3, as I reach in, independently take out 3, and I'm going to count how many ways that can happen. Okay? So that's what it means by taken. We tend to use more often the word choose. So n choose 3, you're choosing 3 at a time. You're reaching in, pulling 3, reaching in, pulling 3, reaching in, pulling 3, 3 at a time. And it has a formula, which is on your paper, and it's n choose j, it's n factorial divided by j factorial times n minus j factorial. So if I were to look at 7 choose 3, 7 choose 3 is, n is 7, and j equals 3 in this case. So it would be 7 factorial divided by j is 3, 3 factorial times n minus j, 7 minus 3 factorial, which is 7 factorial. It's 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, divided by 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. 7 minus 3 is 4, times 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And if we've been good do these, and it's not too bad, 4 times 3 times 1, 4 times 3 times 1, 6 and 6, and you're left with 7 times 5, which is 35. So 100 choose 98 is 100 factorial divided by j is 98, 98 factorial times 100 minus 98 factorial. So 100 is 100 times 99 times 98 times ... times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 98 factorial is 98 times 97 times 96 times dot, 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 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is 98 minus, 100 minus 98 is 2, times 2 times 1. The beauty is anything from 98 down goes by the wayside. 2 divides 150 times. You're left with 50 times 99, and 50 times 99 is 4950.